Hello, my name is Design Ghost and welcome to another episode of our design series where we learn everything design. If you are new here and you've not subscribed to our channel yet, kindly subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put us on post notifications so that you do not miss any amazing content we post here. Today, we are going to learn how to design a church flyer. It is called an Overcomer Summit in just some few minutes, okay? We are going to delve into using downloaded images as a plain background and then putting on the text using a text mockup and some other few things. So without wasting too much of your time, let's get right into the video. So first of all, we are going to create a new document, a 5x6 with a 300 resolution. So we're bringing our resources, and these are the resources that we are going to use for this particular tutorial. We have our text also written here. If you want to get these resources to follow along, in the description there's a link to our Telegram page where you can find links to download all these resources for free. Remember to join the Telegram page. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you've not. So we are going to bring in this image as our background. We are going to change resolution so that it's not going to look that small. So let me show you what I mean. You see how it's appearing. So it is possible that this way it is going to pixelate. So we are going to change the resolution to 250. Then we bring it into our scene. Great. This is the outcome that we want. So position it here. Now, it is not always about creating a detailed background. It is about being creative and being strategic. All right. So what we are going to do here is we are going to add a black background down here so that it is going to cover up and fill up the document. So we are going to select this, grab the brush tool, add a layer and paint over it. Paint. And we can see that it has blended well with the image. Let's merge the layers into one. Image adjustment, color lookup, and we'll look for four colors. Great. Okay, so that we'll get the evenness between the two. Control J. We move to the camera roll settings. We brighten up a bit. Exposure 0.09, texture about 25, and it's okay. So let's see the difference. All right. So the next thing that we are going to do is to bring our text, because our background is ready to receive text. We open up the mockup. There is a link to download this mockup too. We open it up. Files. We locate the PSD file. We bring it to Photoshop. Now we take off this. Edit content. And here we are going to write whatever that we want. So we are going to hide this. But before that, let's open our text. And title says Overcomer Summit. So we copy that. Text to the Overcomer Summit X We reduce the word spacing to about 50, and we are going to use a font style called Quiver. All right, so that is the font style that we are going to use, and we search it here, key regular. We are going to use the caps lock form of it, but there is an error here, you see, because wherever that an E meets with an R, it makes a different symbol, by which we do not want that. All right, it will be very difficult for some people to read. So what we are going to do is that we are going to cut, hold Alt to click and drag to duplicate, and paste, V, now we can position it well. Great. Now we do the same thing here. X to cut, E, hold Alt to duplicate, V, so we position that well. We can group that, Control A to center, Control D to deselect. We duplicate this, take it above, and we can say summit. Control S to save. Now we have our nice textured font here. We don't want the background, we take off the background, and there is an effect on it. We don't want that one too, so we take it off. The settings, we take it off, leaving our text alone. Control Alt E, and we can pick our text only. Now we'll bring it in. Control M for curves. We brighten it up a bit. Great. Now we add the church name and the logo here. Draw a rectangle, a white one of course. Control J to duplicate. We are giving it a bit of an extension. It's too thin. Let's increase it a bit. Okay, hold Alt to duplicate and bring it here. Can group that. Copy the church name. Text 2. Let's reduce it to 5. And we are using a font called Nexa. Line height of 6, align left. We'll bring in the church logo. This is not a logo for any church. It was downloaded from Pinterest and it's for tutorial sake, so it's not any church's logo. We put it here beautifully. Group, Control A, center, deselect, and now we can focus on the other information down here. So bring in the extra information down here. Control R for ruler. To theme. Color of white. Word spacing of -25. Nexa regular. So we add the scripture, copy, we draw a yellow rectangle. Yellow because that is the color that is going to complement our design. So yellow. Inside the yellow we are going to put our location. text color to black. Font style to Nexa bold. Another shape, but this time around white. We are adding this extra information here. Too much of line height, so we are reducing it to about 6. Let's make it 7. Position it in the middle. Duplicate that and write time 12 o'clock. Bold. We are going to group all that. Call this logo. Then call this info. Push it up a bit. And one last thing we see, we duplicate this, put it up, say cam 1, cam all. We increase the word spacing. Make sure it's in the center. So one last thing we bring in is a tambourine. So we bring in a tambourine. Change resolution as well, 200. Magic eraser 2. Use the size. We are going to add a path blur to it. So filter, blur gallery, path blur. Let's increase the speed. Okay. Let's increase it a bit. Alt and duplicate it. Edit, transform, flip horizontal. Then we can position that to here. And this brings us to the end of today's episode of our design series. This is an Overcomers Summit church flyer. If you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to put us on post notifications so that you do not miss any amazing content we post here. Remember to like this video and remember to share for others to also benefit. My name is Design Ghost and see you in the next episode. Bye.